Hi, my name is Eli and this is Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Earth View from Google Earth extension on Google Chrome. Now what I need for you to do is come down here to the bottom left hand corner and type up Google Chrome. And there I want you to click enter. Now I want you to paste the URL I put in the description down below up into the search bar. So paste, and then from there click enter. Now it's going to take you directly to the Chrome Web Store. Now from there, all you have to type is Earth View from Google Earth. I made a mistake in my spelling, who cares? Then from there, you have to click on the first extension. It has to be offered by Google Earth. I want you to remember that. Then from there, all you have to do is click Add to Chrome. Then you'll have a box that pops up and it'll ask if you want to actually add the extension. From there, you'll say yes, or add extension. And boom, now you have Earth View from Google Earth installed onto your computer. Now, if you have any questions about what we talked about today, make sure to drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as fast as I can. This has been Eli from Tech Talk. See you next time.